question 5. So this question all revolves around the fact that the area under a velocity time graph is the distance travelled. So the area under the shape that we're given is 1,500 meters, 1,500. So that's really what this question is all about. So part A is just basic SUVAT. We can get the acceleration being 1.5. Now for part B, we're being asked to work out t, which is this length here. So to do this, what we're going to do, we're going to work out the area of the two triangles and take that away from the total area, which is 1,500. And then, given that's the area of that red rectangle, we'll just divide that by 30, which is its height, to get its base, which we're going to find out to be 28. So how do we do that? So let's start off with this triangle. Well, that area there, that distance travelled is 300. That's given. Now to work out this distance travelled here, we need to do another SUVAT, which I've done here, giving us distance travelled is 360. So that's the area of this triangle. So the area of the red triangle is the area of the total shape, 1,500 minus 300 minus 360, which is 840. Divide that by the height of the rectangle, 30, gives us the length of the base, t, which is 28. Now for part C, the answer is that pink triangle here. Now moving on to D, I think what's important here is to realise that the area under the pink triangle and the area under the green triangle are both the same. They're 1,500 as well, but they both have the same height. So really what I'm saying is that if we can just allow u to be 0 for the second train q, and we take v to be as if it travelled at a continued speed for the whole journey, we're going to get the same answer for v. We can still work out this height here. So rather than assume that we had a speed, we were increasing speed to halfway along the journey, then decreasing speed, I'm alternatively going to work out a continual speed all the way through. So to do that, we're going to basically need, we know the area is 1,500, we're going to need to know the base in total so we can work out the height, which will be v. Now to work out the base in total, we know t is 28, we need to have t1 and t2. Now I think the easiest way to work these out, I've done it by SUVAT over here, but I think a quicker way is just to look at the area of the two triangles. We know an area of a triangle is half times base times height, so half times t times 30 is 300, half times t2 times 30 is 360. So that allows us to work out t1 being 20 and t2 to be 24. So our total time, t plus t1 plus t2 is 72. So that is the base of the green triangle. We know the height, we need to work out the height, that's v, that's what we're trying to do. We know the area is 1,500, so half times 72 times v is 1,500, so v is 125 over 3.